Hi, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help, and I have said this from the beginning and I'm going to keep saying it. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It sets the tone for the day. It tells our bodies how to react, how to act, how to work and function all day. So breakfast is important, but we get in this mundane repeat habit and rut when it comes to breakfast ideas. So today I am gonna change all of that with a really yummy breakfast recipe. This is like a chia pudding meets overnight oats. And everything that I'm putting in this are real whole ingredients. No preservatives, not a ton of sugar, so let's get started. We're gonna start off with some quick oats. Oats are loaded with fiber, by the way. We need more fiber in our diet. None of us are getting enough fiber in our diet, and oats are a really good way to do that. Next up, we're gonna add some chia seeds. Y'all know I love me some chia seeds. Here's the secret to chia seeds. Make sure you soak them for at least an hour before you consume them. Chia seeds are super dense. They need to relax, hang out in the liquid for a little while. So when you digest those chia seeds, you can absorb all the nutrients possible. And chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants and they actually have protein. We're gonna add some chia seeds in here. That's the chia pudding and the overnight oats mixture right there. Now we're gonna add in some coconut milk. Everything from the coconut is healthy. From the oil to the water to the milk, super healthy. Now we're gonna add in some unflavored, unsweetened, non-dairy yogurt. The reason I chose unsweetened is because I want to control the sugar that goes in my breakfast. And buying yogurts that already have like flavored and sugar in them, they are loaded with sugar typically. So I like to add my own. And speaking of, and I also want to tell you, I use non-dairy in all of my recipes because dairy causes inflammation, and all of my recipes promote an anti-inflammatory diet and lifestyle. So now we're gonna add that sweetness. We're gonna add a little bit of maple syrup. I'm just gonna do about 2 tablespoons. This is gonna serve 2. We're gonna add in some cinnamon. And next up, we're gonna add vanilla. Cinnamon is anti-inflammatory, by the way. And now we're gonna add vanilla. Pure vanilla extract is super important. We don't want to be adding vanilla flavoring to things. We want the real deal. And that's it. That's it. It's that simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a good mix, and then we're gonna set this in the fridge overnight. We want those chia seeds to relax. We want them to marry those oats and get really creamy and yummy. So we're gonna set this in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, we will have beautiful chia oat pudding. The recipe is in the comments of this video, and I will show you a beautiful picture of this at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Get in your kitchens and cook just a little bit healthier. I'm not asking you to clean out your pantry. I'm just asking you to step up your healthy game a little bit, and your body will thank you. If you want to learn more about me and my services, head to shellycanhelp.com. And if you ever have any questions, just put them in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. And don't forget, please give my videos a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. I'm gonna go for now, but I have one question before I do. What is on your fork? Bye for now.